Again. Okay, let's start with the first glitch. So the first glitch is actually pretty easy, pretty simple. So first you need a rod, like a wood rod. Then if you have a seat, like these type of seats, the plain seat, yeah, that seat will work. And you should only use the seat or this glitch might not work. Okay, now you take your hinge. Wait, yeah, there. Put it like right there. And then you take a metal rod. Yeah, like these rods, what are they called? The titanium rod, yeah. And I haven't tried this with other rods, so I don't know if it'll work or not. So yeah. Okay, now take your magnet out. Oh, where's the magnet? Yeah. RT, RTT. Okay, yeah, put it like right there, okay? Nicely done. Delete this rod, the wood rod, and launch your boat. Oh, okay, my thing is lagging a lot. Okay, now you can like fly kind of. You just need to activate the magnet. Oh no. Okay, yeah, this way. And you just activate the magnet and you can basically fly, guys. It's very cool. Eek! No! I'm glitching like a lot. So yeah. It's not working out for me that much. But this glitch will actually work, guys. I'm having a lag bomb right now. Yay! No! Why? Uh-oh. Okay, yeah, I've gotten to the end with this glitch before. It worked. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next glitch right after we die. Okay. My face. My Robux face. Okay. Next glitch is actually really simple and it's very cheap. All you need is this seat. Take a glue block. And wait, it's better if you do no anchor block. So take off the check mark or the lightning bolt. So where is it? Yeah, here. Glue block like that. Take a hinge. And just turn your camera around and just put it in the middle like that. Okay? And then launch your boat. I am doing shift lock since I'm on a PC/Mac. Look. Yeah, and then if you press space, you go back. And you just need to position it so for people with tablets, you have to go in first person and go up and down like that. Yeah, but for me, I just need to do WASD, or I could just use the shift lock. And guys, this glitch is very good. And whenever you get to the end, if you go too high, if you go too low, you could always just tap your glue block and then you'll fall down. Wait, what's that, guys? We might discover something here. Where was it? It was just here. It was just here, guys. Wait. Yeah, there. Okay. I want to see if that does something. There. Well, that much. I don't know why, but I'm falling down. I must have too much of a lag. Okay, guys, that's all for today's video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below what videos we should do next. Bye!